Hello friends, welcome back to my beautiful gardening life, and today I'm going to talk about this beautiful plant which is the devil's backbone. It's also called as a zigzag plant, and its scientific name is the Pitylanthus melodies. I guess I'm saying it properly. It belongs to the Euphorbia genus. It's a succulent, so its care would be related to how we take care of the succulent. Uh, these are the two plants that I have. This has lovely variations to the leaves, that's why it is white in color. But to the same plant, I have noticed that many of its branches are green in color, so some of the stems are losing its variation. But it's absolutely fine with me because the plant being white, off-white and green brings about a unique beauty to this pot. You might have noticed the leaves are quite dirty along with its stems. I had kept this plant outdoors for a couple of days in the rain, so there is a lot of mud that has been splashed of it, and getting it clean was a very difficult task. So I have done a bit of cleaning, but entirely I couldn't remove off the sand and the soil on the leaves. But it's a beauty to look at and forms an excellent plant as house plant. Just leave it at a spot where it is getting bright in direct sunlight, and it will do excellently well in your house. The moment you give it low sunlight, the branches or the stems become very leggy, and it kind of loses that compactness or its beauty of being a very bushy plant. So the sunlight requirement would be you can keep it in partial shade to partial sun. So medium sunlight, which is not direct, would be required for this plant. This plant does not have huge fertilizing requirement, but when you fertilize your other house plants, you can go ahead and fertilize this. For the propagation of this plant, the best way is to cut the stem and propagate it. It grows really easy. I've taken a lot of cuttings and given to my friends from this particular pot. A very important thing is the moment you take cuttings, you get two new offshoots from the main stem like this, and the plant gets really bushy. So in pruning does play a role here, which you can use the cuttings for propagation, and it makes the plant also very bushy. I have another pot which is a completely non-variegated Pitylanthus, which was added to my garden many years ago. This is completely non-variegated, so there is hardly any variegation. The growth of these plants does fantastically well during the rainy season, and it has given me a lot of new shoots. So watering this plant would be only and only when the topmost layer goes dry completely, and you have to see that the soil goes dry between two waterings. Else, it being succulent, you may just water it extra, and the stems may hold on to that water and leaving the plant to be prone to root rot. So avoid extra watering. For the soil mix, use a well draining soil. For this plant, I have used the garden soil, and here a vermicompost and river sand in equal proportions. This plant is very easy to care, but it is prone to mealybugs and scales, so you have to check this plant often to see if there is any infestation. I can talk a lot about this plant because this is one of my favorite plants, but I've covered most of the points. Thank you so much for watching. I see you again in the next one. Bye.